Morning to all. This is Rajeshri, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce with CA, JJ College of Arts and Science, Pudukkottai. Now we are going to discuss about the Visual Basic interface of Visual Basic. This is a Microsoft Visual Basic. These are the new project and some other menus. That is called the standard exercise and active XDLL and active X control and VB application wizard and VB application manager and active X documental and active document exit and add data project. When we have to select for any other menus. The user start the window, it display the screen having a certain options. It will be helps the screen user can select the type of project user then want to make. And Visual Basic environment is a platform provided by the VB to develop and the execute a project. This environment consists of different platforms, are control tools and various other options and this is called the Visual Basic IDE. These are then we have to choose the application platform and like any other window applications, VB consists of multiple windows. It will be appear the startup. The windows are displayed in the VB or collectively known as Visual Basic Integrated Development Environment. That is called the IDE. These are the IDE. This is a very small windows. The first of all for title bar and toolbar and some other menus, then it will be work on the form windows. After that you have to choosing for any other content or any other menus, some other text or some toolboxes. Then how to we have to using for the some other menus, and after that it will be edit for properties window or captions or project. These are the properties windows. The properties window, it is a form one. We have to create it in the form one, or some other applications are using in the back color or any other settings. Or after we have to first of all for any other content, the first content it will be cannot be changed. The second content or columns, the properties and settings, and users can change for any changes in the property of the objects will affect the objects on the form. These are the properties window. It will be user can change the any other characteristics of properties settings. It will be easily accessed for the user. The toolbox. Toolbox means it is called a picture box, text box, and command button or option button, combo button, or V scroll bar, drive list file, and file list box and line data, OLE, image, shape, timer, hex scroller bar, and list box and checkbox, frame, and label and pointer. These are the tools of we have to make for the some other forms. These are the objects the user can allow to the when applications in such as the text boxes and command buttons or any other options for the radio buttons or checkbox, etc. These are the form window. The form window, it is a central area when the user can draw and make the any other applications. That is called the windows or hold the controls like the button or checkbox. It will be make the user application. It is a large area of the forms. It is called the client area. It is very useful. It is very useful to the user. You easily access and handle for the some other tools. It will be working in the different controls. These are the source code windows. The source code windows, it is called it is a user type of code the VB executes. It will be the two parts. One is control box and another one is event box. The heading of the windows are indicates to the code is associated in the window user write most of the codes. That is called the private subform fold, and end sub also it will be there. It is we have to create in the VB form. After that it should be opening or saving or running. That is called the opening the project. To open a VB project, to invoke the VB shortcut on desktop or going to the true and pull up menu the select VB project, VB program. First of all, you select start program or maybe Microsoft Visual Basic 6.0 and saving the project. After that you are creating the project, the user to save it. It is called the client menu. You select the save project. The system it will be accessed to the form file .form, and after that provide the name for the project file .vbp. And next one for the running the project. After you're finishing your project, then we have to running the project. There are different ways of executing project. The first one is press F5 key or menu bar or click the run or start VB toolbar or run icon. Thank you.